This video will demonstrate how to perform manual and automated configuration backups using the AmpCon-DC Management Platform and highlight the key steps for rapid recovery. Begin by navigating to Service Config Template in the AmpCon-DC interface. Identify your target switch under the Config Backup tab and select Backup Config. To verify Access Snapshot List, your new backup will appear with a timestamp. Select any snapshot to inspect its complete configuration details. Click Service Config Template on the left-hand side of the AmpCon-DC interface. Then, switch to the Config Backup tab. Select the target device group on the page and click Backup Config to start the group backup process. Once the backup is complete, you can verify whether each switch's backup was successfully created. In the device list, click Snapshot List next to one of the switches. Check whether a new backup file has been generated in the snapshot list. Click Service Config Template from the menu on the left. Then, switch to the Config Backup tab. On the page, configure the time settings for automatic backups. Once the parameters are set, click Save to apply the settings. The system will automatically perform configuration backups based on the specified interval. Click Service Config Template from the menu on the left. Then, switch to the Config Backup tab. In the device list, find the target switch and click Snapshot List on the right. In the snapshot list, select the configuration you wish to roll back and click Rollback Config. Set the wait time in seconds with a default value of 10. Finally, click Save, and the system will automatically restore the selected configuration.